Hello and welcome to another game guide. This video series will be focused on Sea of Thieves, and more specifically the treasure riddles. When you pick up a riddle message, the first line will direct you to the specific island. When you take your first steps on the island, the next step of instructions will be unlocked. The riddles are a set of location descriptions and an action to do at that place in order to unlock the next set of instructions. The actions you must take at the locations are pretty easy to understand. It's usually lifting a lighted lantern, bringing the riddle to your face, or playing a musical instrument. But sometimes the location hints aren't very clear, or they're difficult to find. This series will aim to show you how to get to those specific location hints from easy to find starting locations. This riddle takes place on the Crooked Masts, which isn't a terribly tricky island, but there are 3 different tentacle paintings on this island. This riddle is a light held up towards the sky to discover the lone painted tentacle and don't be shy. We're going to start on the bridge in between the 2 spires. We're going to be facing north, so we're walking from the south spire to the north spire. We'll cross the bridge. We'll take this right. We're going to take a quick left up the ramp. We'll walk through the tunnel, go down the other side. We're going to stay hugging the wall, and we're going to go up this ramp. Stay to the right. We're going to take a quick right at this torch. We go to the left here, and the lone tentacle will be right here on this wall. I hope this guide has helped you solve a riddle you were stuck on. If this has helped you, please consider subscribing to this YouTube channel, where I post guide videos and other fun clips from my live streams over on Twitch. You can find me over on Twitch at twitch.tv/Virus675. Thanks for watching, and happy hunting.